Bar Brothers System is a step-by-step calisthenics training program that spans 12 weeks. It's designed to help you get the mindset and physical strength to become a Bar Brother and street workout athlete. This is also the official training program of the Bar Brothers, created by its founders, Lazar Novovic and Dusan Djolevic. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Bar Brothers System builds the foundation for street workout beginners to progress into calisthenics freestyle movements. Think creative combos of handstands, human flags, muscle-ups and more. As a positive side effect from training, you'll also get a better physique by the end of 12 weeks. Lazar and Dusan are among the top calisthenics experts in the fitness world. They propel the Bar Brothers movement, to become the best version of yourself, into a worldwide phenomenon. In the process, the duo help transform average people into amazing street workout athletes through body weight training. Naturally, countless people have asked them about their unique training approach, hoping to replicate their results in strength feats and physique. This prompted them to create the Bar Brothers System, which details the exact training mindset, eating habits and training methodology they used. The duos are founders of one of the largest calisthenics movement. They have also helped average people become calisthenics athletes with phenomenal freestyle strength feats. Bar Brothers System is delivered via an online platform loaded with video tutorials, instructions, and insights on bar calisthenics. Navigating the platform is very straightforward. When you first log in, you'll be redirected to a list of training programs. The training is divided into 3 phases. Each phase lasts for 4 weeks and is a step up in the level of difficulty. You'll have to train 6 days each week, devoting no more than 1 hour per session. To make such training possible, the program uses a split training format, where different areas of the body are targeted per session. The workout also varies among sessions. Because the program caters to people of all fitness and strength levels, Lazar and Dusan demonstrate the proper way to perform each exercise and point out common mistakes. They also provide complete progression steps for an exercise. The progression steps allow you to perform an easier form of an exercise at a lower level. This is helpful if you haven't built proper strength and technique to perform an exercise in its regular form yet. Click the link in the description below this video for details.